Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to get the double cookies feature for free in the Butterbear Board Game event in Heartopia. So right now, Heartopia has a special collaborations event with the Butterbear, and it introduces a new board game that works like a Monopoly like this, where you roll dice and collect cookies as a rewards. And these cookies can be exchanged for exclusive Butterbear items in the exchange store. This one. And one of the most useful features in this event is double cookies. These items or this buff, when you activate it, it can multiply the cookies rewards you earn while playing the board game. It will help you collect event currency much faster. So how do you get it for free? The first method is through the daily rewards in the exchange store. You can just check the exchange store every day and you will get the rewards button that appears on here. And on that button you might receive a remote control or a double cookies items. It's just random rewards that depending on your luck. And the second method is by landing on the donut cookie styles. The donut cookie styles that has a dice and butter and cookies icon like this. So when your peer land on this donut, you can get either a remote control or cookies. And if you are lucky, you can receive double cookies from these rewards. And okay, that's how you can get the double cookies for free and make your Butterbear board game progress much faster. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!